Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Mercedes Warwick, and welcome to Sacred Key. I am here to extend to you a very heartfelt invitation to join me for our virtual open house. And what a virtual open house is it's a few days in series that we tool around the Sacred Key website, but it's affirming, and I'm finding that there's a lot on that website, and so and there's a lot for you to just come and enjoy, as well as when you take a class. There's the Library of Guidance, and there's contemplations and 36 breaths, and then the blog. We're going to start putting stories and confirmations and things directly into the blog. It's been a very confirming spring and summer for me, and I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting me. There's been those of you who have literally bought me a bag of groceries, and it's so important that we practice spiritual circulation, but I want you to know that it has really kept me going. That and being able to have some attendance in the classes, that as I've been moving through how to bring things online and virtual in this new age of a new way of reaching out and touching someone, I guess. So it is the virtual open houses. We tool around the website, and then of course we come into communion. We do some contemplation, meditation, and I give you an example of one of the wonderful teachings that my guidance has flowed through me. I'm so delighted to be the vessel, and I'm delighted to be here, and I'm delighted that Sacred Key has come out of the energetic form, and through this brain of mine I've managed to keep out of it for the most part and allow the guidance to flow. It's now in form. So as we go through the learnings, because this is really going to be discovery and awareness and learning and contemplation, that's how all of this is coming into form. So as we become guides, I am the guru. You are the guru. Say, I am the guru. And that's what Sacred Key is all about, connecting to life. And this morning in contemplation, it was really interesting when I was resting in God. Spirit said, rest in life. God is creation, and God is life. And when we come into that consciousness of the life force, then we start creating and expanding and contracting when we need to, the ebb and flow. There's a reason why there's the ebb, and then there's the flow, and we come into that rhythm of living. And it's a wonderful discovery, and it's a wonderful way to have a devotional to self-care and self-discovery and self-inquiry. And I've been so blessed over these last 4 years. This would have been the book. What you will experience as we tool around the website it would have been the book. It's been the book that everybody's been asking me to write. And hopefully it will be something that will be a foundation for you and your life and your living. All denominations are welcome, because we are dealing with life force and love force and liberty force and light force. And so it brings us into a common understanding of that wonderful frequency of creation. So please join me. The information will be in a link with this video, and we start. The first one is this Sunday, and I am so looking forward to seeing you. All right, namaste. May you know the divine intimately.